Hello there. Today we're going to show you how to put your RG45 connectors onto your Cat 5, Cat 5e or Cat 6 cable. You're going to need obviously your connectors, your cable, and you're going to need some of your strippers and your crimping tool. To start with, all you need to do is cut about 2 inches, about 40mm, 2 inches off of the outside sheath. And just give that a light turn, and then that just pull off. That will reveal your 4 twisted pairs. You've got your orange, your blue, your green and your brown. And you've got this little tiny cable here cord, and that is used for stripping the cable down further. So if you pull that, that's going to reveal more of your twisted pairs. But we don't need to do that. So we're just going to cut that off. Quite easy, you lose that. Right, next we need to do is undo all these pairs, right down to the bottom, to the very end. And as you're undoing them, straighten them out as best you can. Get them all as straight as you can. Open them right up on the blue. And do all your 4 pairs. It's a bit fiddly, but how long you've been doing it, it's still a fiddly job. Try to get them as straight as you can, because you're going to need them straight in a moment. Then undo the green, and then finally the orange. Make sure you undo them all the way down to the end, because you don't want them getting all tangled up at the bottom. Now what we need to do, we need to undo these all the way down to the bottom, and then we're going to need to get them into the order, the colour order for the connector. Now the colour order I'm using is T568B, which is white orange, orange, white green, then your blue, that's a bit fiddly, then your white blue, then your green, then your white brown and your brown. So as you try to do this, try to pull them straight. So you've got your white orange and your orange. Then how I do it is I add one at a time. Your white green, pull them tight. Then you want your blue, and it's becoming a ribbon cable now. Then you want your white blue, and each time keep wiggling that, start getting them used to be in the ribbon shape. Then you want your green, I've got caught over that one, wiggle it, it's starting to form. Then you want your white, brown, getting close together, and then your brown. Check those again. See, they've got a habit of jumping backwards and forwards. So you've got your white orange, your white green, your blue, your white blue, your green, your white brown and your brown. Put them all together, pull them straight, get them as close as possible together as you can. Once you've got them in the right order and tight together, hold that position, hold that tight. Get your connectors and cut them off nice and straight. Once they've been cut off nice and straight, don't let go of that end. Take your connector and push them in. have your connector with the tab underneath. Push that in. And in they go. Push it right in tight. Once that's in there, take your crimper and push that in the end there. Give it a crimp. Now you can see you've got your outside cover in there too, and that's in there nice and tight. And then what you need to do, this is a cheap tester, but it will still show you the results. These are a few pound or a few dollars off of eBay. You put a 9-volt battery in the back there and switch it on. Put that in there and hopefully, voila, that's it. So that's how to do your connector. Make sure you test them. Every time you do a cable, make sure you test it, because if you don't test it, you're going to cause yourself a lot of problems. You'll be running a big long cable and you'll be wondering why your network's not working properly. So that's how to put your RG45 on your Cat 5 and test it afterwards. Thanks very much.